Hello, I'm Michelle Canavan, registered nurse with Lehigh Valley Health Network. This video will show you the care of a cervical collar. After watching this video, you and anyone helping to care for you should know the importance of wearing your cervical collar, how to clean your cervical collar, how to change the pads of your cervical collar, how to check your neck for signs of skin redness or irritation, how your cervical collar should fit. A cervical collar is worn when you have a neck injury and is used to keep your neck and upper spine from moving while your neck injury heals. There are different types of cervical collars. Your healthcare provider orders the type of cervical collar you need. You should also receive an extra set of pads with your cervical collar. No matter what type of cervical collar you have, it is very important to wear your collar at all times. Your collar should only be removed with help for these reasons: to clean your cervical collar, to change the collar pads, to clean and check your skin. You must have a helper to do these tasks. You will wear the cervical collar until your healthcare provider tells you that you no longer need it, or until they remove it at your visit. If your healthcare provider tells you that you may take a bath or shower, you must wear your cervical collar while bathing or showering. Following a bath or shower, you must have help to change your collar pads and check your neck and skin for skin redness or irritation. Never try to do this alone. Unfastening or taking off your collar by yourself can result in serious injury. You should receive an extra set of cervical collar pads. If you did not receive an extra set of pads, contact your healthcare provider. Changing collar pads and washing and checking your neck should be done every 2 to 3 days and when your neck or collar becomes soiled. Assemble your supplies. You will need a basin of water, soap, washcloth, towel, and extra set of collar pads. Lie flat on your back without any pillows under your head and hold very still. Have your helper hold your head and remove the strap on one side and remove the front of the collar and pads. Leave the back of the collar in place. Shaving of facial hair must be done with help. You must be lying down. Your helper assists by holding your head and neck still. Shampooing your hair may be done by pulling the hair out from under the cervical collar and completing a shampoo while lying down with assistance from your helper. A no-rinse shampoo may be easier to use until you are able to shower. If you are able to shower, a hair shampoo may be done during the shower. Remember, you must keep your collar on while in the shower. Your helper can clean and dry the front of your neck and chin and look for any signs of redness or irritation. In case of skin redness or irritation, call your healthcare provider. Your helper can replace the soiled pads with clean ones. You must lie very still while your helper is changing your pads. Do not move your head or neck. Your helper can close the collar and tighten the strap. Gently roll onto your side. Your helper can loosen the strap and remove the back of the collar away from the front. Remember to hold very still. Your helper can now wash, dry, and check the back of your neck for redness or irritation. Your helper can also change the back collar pads, replacing the soiled pads with clean ones. The straps and the plastic area of the collar may be cleaned and towel dried. Your helper can close the collar and tighten the strap. Roll onto your back. Your helper can now fasten the other side of the collar. You may sit up carefully and make sure the collar is secure and fitted before you walk around. You can tell if your collar is on correctly if the writing on your collar is right side up, the hole in the middle of the front of the collar is centered on your neck, the collar fits snugly and limits how much you can move your head and neck. You should not be able to slide your chin in and out of the collar. The plastic should not touch your skin. The pad should be between the plastic and your skin. The collar should not dig into your shoulder blades or rest on your collarbones. Hand wash the soiled pads with soap and water in a basin or sink. Rinse out all the soap. Gently squeeze out excess water. Air dry for 6 to 8 hours or until completely dry. Wet or damp pads can damage your skin. Do not place pads in washer or dryer. I hope that this video will help you safely wear and care for your cervical collar. Please watch it as many times as you need to and have anyone helping you watch it too. If you have any questions about your cervical collar, call your healthcare provider. Remember to wear your cervical collar at all times to protect your neck and spine.